apart the greenhouse that I just built so you guys can see how it comes apart. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of me taking this mini greenhouse apart. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me take down this mini greenhouse that I built. I may go back and look at the original one that I built, and I may do that in the next couple weeks, so please stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon down below so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and if you ain't dreaming, you ain't living. Don't forget to dream big.